In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop an animation in PowerPoint. Whether you're creating a presentation that's meant to captivate your audience or just want to add a touch of flair to your slides, looping animations can be a great way to do it. It's easy, just follow along. First things first, let's launch Microsoft PowerPoint. If you don't have it open yet, go ahead and start the program. Once PowerPoint is up and running, you'll need to open an existing presentation or create a new one. If you're starting from scratch, feel free to add any content you like, photos, tables, whatever makes your slides come alive. Now, look for a slide that has an animated object, as that's what we'll be working with. If you haven't added any animations yet, you can always add one by selecting an object and choosing an animation from the ribbon at the top. Once you've picked your slide and selected your animated object, we'll dive into looping this animation. Next, navigate to the Animations tab located in the top menu of your PowerPoint window. You'll see a variety of options here, but the one we're interested in is the Animation pane. Go ahead and click it to open the pane on the side. This pane is going to show you all the animations currently associated with your selected object. Within the Animation pane, find the animation you want to loop. Clicking on it will highlight the animation, making it easier for us to adjust its settings. The next step involves clicking on the little down arrow next to the animation that's highlighted in the pane. This arrow will bring up a menu with further options for you to configure. One of the options you'll see is either labeled Effect Options or Timing, depending on which version of PowerPoint you're using. Click on this, and a new window will pop up, allowing you to refine your animation settings further. In the window, navigate to the Timing tab. This is where we'll make the magic happen. Look for the Repeat drop-down menu here. You'll see several options. Select either Until Next Click if you want the animation to loop until you manually click to move on, or choose Until End of Slide if you prefer the animation to continue looping as long as you're on that particular slide. Finally, it's time to see your handiwork in action. You can either hit the play button in the animation pane for a preview or start your slideshow. This will show you how your looped animation works, allowing you to see if any adjustments might be necessary. And there you have it. Your animation is now set to loop, adding a dynamic element to your presentation. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you bring your PowerPoint slides to life.